Welcome back to Auto World. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, a luxury SUV that blends Italian performance, stunning design, and cutting-edge technology. Is it the best premium SUV of the year? Let's find out. Alfa Romeo has always been about passion and elegance, and the 2025 Stelvio is no exception. The new model gets a sharper, more aggressive front fascia with an updated Scudetto grille and sleek LED matrix headlights inspired by the Tonale. The signature, Trilobo, design remains, giving it that unmistakable Alfa Romeo look. From the side, you'll notice the bold character lines, muscular wheel arches, and a variety of new alloy wheel designs ranging from 18 to 21 inches. And at the rear, the updated LED taillights and quad exhaust tips give it a sporty yet refined look. Now, let's talk performance, because that's where Alfa Romeo truly shines. The 2025 Stelvio comes with multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 producing 280 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. But for those who crave even more power, the legendary Quadrifoglio trim returns, featuring a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 pumping out a staggering 520 horsepower. This beast can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious yet driver-focused cabin. Alfa Romeo has refined the interior with premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather. The 2025 Stelvio now features a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, with a Harman Kardon premium sound system, your drives will sound as good as they feel. Alfa Romeo has also upgraded its safety features. The 2025 Stelvio includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even level 2 semi-autonomous driving capabilities. So whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Stelvio has your back. So, how much does this Italian beauty cost? The 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio starts at around $47,000 for the base model, while the high-performance Quadrifoglio trim pushes past $90,000. With its breathtaking design, exhilarating performance, and upgraded technology, the new Stelvio is a serious contender in the luxury SUV market. But what do you think? Would you pick this over rivals like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, or Mercedes GLC? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching Auto World. We'll see you in the next one.